Welcome. In this short tutorial, we write a simple idiomatic C# program that computes the sum of squares of elements in an integer array. We show a compact LINQ-based solution and a clear loop-based alternative for beginners. This is a great exercise to practice arrays, lambda expressions, and sum from LINQ. Let's jump in. The task is straightforward. For each element n in the array, compute n times n and add those two results. Negative numbers are fine because their square is positive. We show two clean solutions, a LINQ one-liner and an explicit loop, which is easy to debug and friendly for beginners. Here's the full program. Sum of squares accepts an int and uses num_sums to compute the sum of squares in one readable line. I included an argument null exception guard so the function fails fast and clearly if null is passed. In main, we call the function with two example arrays and print results. The style keeps the logic testable and reusable. Mechanically, we iterate the array, square each item, and then add them. LINQ sums does the iteration and accumulation for us when we provide a selector. If you prefer step by step, use a for loop with an accumulator variable. Same result, and sometimes easier when adding logging or handling big numbers. Here are concrete examples. Empty arrays produce 0 since there are no items to sum. Passing null throws an argument null exception. This is intentional, so calling code is made aware of invalid input immediately rather than receiving an incorrect 0. Sum of squares shows up widely, measuring signal energy, computing norms or variances, and in physics graphics for vector magnitudes. It's both practical and a great interview question to demonstrate array handling and familiarity with LINQ. In conclusion, we've built a small, robust function that computes the sum of squares. The LINQ version is concise and expressive. The loop version is equally valid when you need extra control. Keep edge cases in mind, such as empty arrays and null input. Thanks for watching. Now you can reuse some sum of squares any way you need a quick energy or norm calculation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.